And you also see that the chassis rails sit higher than the Defender, and the reason for that. Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and welcome to this unboxing of another Traxxas TRX4M. Now what I have here is a Traxxas TRX4M Chevrolet K10 High Trail Edition, also known as the Cheyenne. This is one of the nicest bodies I've seen on a micro crawler to date, and I'm really excited to kind of start working on this one. And yes, I haven't even finished starting working on my Defender, and I've already picked up another TX4M. So I do like the platform, and I do like the hard shell bodies that come with the platform. It gives it a nice scale look, and the performance is pretty good. So the TRX4M, they are 1/18th scale crawlers. They're a little bit bigger than the 1/24th scale axial SCX24s. I like both platforms. The SCX24s do have a lot of aftermarket upgrades, and you can make them perform really well and do crazy things with them. My focus on the TRX4Ms for right now is mostly for scale trail, and I'm going to be making these really capable scale trail crawlers. Now for this particular color of the K10 High Trail, the initial release had two different colors, blue and red. There's also a special edition black now. I'm not sure if there are any other colors besides that, but I know they initially released with just blue and red, so the box reflects that. So here, this is the blue side, and this is the red side of the box. They both look really nice, and it's just your preference on what you like. And once again, here you see the chassis. It's pretty much what you expect from a TRX4M. It's got lights installed. It comes with a 2S LiPo battery and charger, and uses the clipless body mounting system, so there's no body pins to deal with, which is great. Here are some differences in the High Trail. It's got bigger wheel and tire setup, so you do have more ground clearance there. And I think the body sits a little bit higher just to account for that as well. Alright, this side of the box pretty much says which version you have, either the red or the blue. I've got the blue. And here's a picture of the two next to each other. And let's take a look and open this up. Alright, so inside the box, this is what you get. You get your instruction manual, two spare parts and tools right here, some inserts for the shocks to adjust them. Here's the stock battery, 700 milliamp 2S LiPo. And here is the USB charger. It's a really simple setup. Here we have the remote. Now it's the same one that was used in the other TRX4M, the Defender. Really basic remote. Nothing else. So nothing really much to say about it. And let's take Beautiful rig out. See here, it's wrapped to protect this body, and it's a really nice one. It'll probably help if I just take the clips off first. Yeah. That would have been easier, huh? Alright, there you go. Alright. So you can see here the lights are already mounted on the body, and you just do need to plug this in before you run it to get the running lights. And like the other TRX4Ms, it's a clip system right there. Now once again, in my opinion, this is one of the nicest bodies for a microcrawler right now, especially if you're really into square body Chevys. Really nice looking. I do wish that the TRX4Ms would come with an interior though. You'll notice that it doesn't come with an interior, so we'll have to look at maybe some 3D printing options for that and see if any are available. Anyway, like the other TRX4Ms, it comes with a clip system. You can easily take it off. See here, these two clips. They clip onto this part right here. Now, this does sit higher than the Defender, and I'll kind of show you why. Let's take a look at the Defender. Alright, you'll see the Defender doesn't come with pre-installed lights like the K10 does. Alright, so you see here the tires are smaller on the Defender, and you also see that the chassis rails sit higher than the Defender, and the reason for that is because you'll notice that these shock towers on the K10 High Trail, they're actually shorter than the shock towers on the Defender right there. Just see them side by side. So that is why the High Trails sit higher. The frame actually sits higher. There's more ground clearance right there. So this is the Defender. This is the High Trail. You can just see like where the bumper is. It's just higher. You can see, maybe this is a better angle. You can see the difference in height, and that's mainly due to the bigger tires as well as the shock hoops. Another nice scaled detail on the High Trail Edition. If you notice, the Defender comes with Canyon Trails, so that's the Traxxas design tire, and so they're not really a scale replica of anything. But if you look at the tread pattern for this, these are Mickey Thompson Baja Pros. So Baja Pro X's, sorry. And it even has the name of the tire, and it says Mickey Thompson on the side. So really cool for scale details and scale realism. It is a scale licensed tire. Really cool. And it's a nice aggressive looking tire too as well. So Overall, really nice package, and it's just a really nice looking package overall. But that about does it for this unboxing of the Traxxas TRX4M K10 Chevy High Trail Edition. Definitely excited to start running this and start working on this. I definitely will have some things that I'm going to be changing on this. Now, I actually do have another one coming on the way. I also bought the special edition black version. One of them I'm probably going to try to make into a really capable crawler. The other one, I don't know. It could be converted into a monster truck, or it could just be a regular trail truck. I don't really know where I'm going to go with it yet, but stay tuned. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on my Traxxas TRX4M